Hey, it's Joel, Rocky Mountain Rep Rap Festival 2026, and I've got Desktop Wham with Ben. Dude, what's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
This is it, man.
This is it. Yeah,
this is it.
This is the first ever consumer level wire arc additive manufacturing machine for the people.
That's for the people. I love it.
I developed this in my garage over the past 2 years.
Okay.
And I've dreamt of making my own steel parts. I thought that printers shouldn't cost $200,000 to get into. Because I think that people deserve the chance to make the steel parts.
I agree with you. That 100%.
After 2 years of painstaking work, I finally got some test speeds done, and we're iterating on it every day. And we're soon going to start making parts that, near net shape parts that people recognize.
So okay. Before we get into the machine, I want to talk about your qualifications because any person off the street probably isn't able to create a Desktop Wham, right?
Exactly. I come from an engineering background. My grandpa was an engineer. My dad was too. So growing up, I love that. You'll be a student your whole life.
True. Absolutely.
So, I've studied this profusely for the past 2 years and got just obsessed with additive. Eat, sleep, and breathe additive. Someday soon, we're gonna have printers here across makerspaces across the country. So
making metal parts for Wham, wire additive manufacturing.
Yep, wire arc additive.
It's like wire arc added.
Yep.
Wham, right? Yes, yeah, sorry. But in thinking that it is like a welding in 3D, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
So people have asked like, oh, could you join parts together? And you can, but this machine is specifically designed to make near net shape parts. It tunes.
Near net shape.
Yep.
What does that mean?
Near net shape means that it gets as accurately as possible to the shape that you have obviously designed and are slicing. It's not going to make, right now, it's not making perfectly dimensioned or precision parts, so you can machine it later. But we want to get down to about 1 millimeter of resolution to get really, really tight tolerances. That's coming along.
That's better than any Wham machine right now, right?
Exactly. This whole point is to research and get to even better deposition results, new deposition techniques. We're working with local welders in Grand Island who have been, working and welding their whole life. So we're incorporating those ideas into this. All the time, so it's just it brings so many people together too. So
dude, your passion is palpable. Like I can tell, like you put blood, sweat, and tears into this thing.
Oh yeah, like a few weeks ago, I was at my shop mates. I was like, why am I doing this? Like, why isn't this working? And they said, it's gonna work. You just gotta trust the process,
Never give up, never surrender.
I have a sign right here that says "Keep moving forward," right on the torch head.
Right on the head. Just
to remind myself, keep going, don't stop. Like anything in life worth doing is worth doing well, and I live and breathe by that.
Ben, you've done an amazing job with this. Like I haven't seen it run, and I know in this environment you don't want to blind people. But these are actual deposits from that, right?
Yeah, these are test welds that we just got done last week. I wanted to make a part, but we got so close to wrap that at least we can show these test welds. Like this is a real machine, really working in real time. I even got footage as well on my website. We are working on this all the time. I'm a public school teacher actually, so once the bell rings, I'm in the workshop working on this. And then soon I'll be working on this full time, and I'll leave the teaching to.
Wow. Well, Ben Fraser, public teacher, take me through the process of how your machine makes these welding deposits on the bed.
Okay.
What's the process?
So it uses two things. It uses a ramps board setup, which is actually an open source setup. And then it also talks to a microcontroller, which controls the arc welding process. It looks at parameters in real time. It measures temperature, deposition. It measures wire feed speed in real time, and then tunes that to get better deposition results. So it uses reinforcement learning to get those desired results. We call that quiet arc technology that we develop, and it is patent pending. So.
Yeah, heck yeah, I see it. Oh, I see it right there on your side.
Right. We want to incorporate the best techniques and the best possible user features that can achieve the parts that people desire, the parts that they're shelling out their hard-earned money. Like we owe it to our customers and our fans and creators and makers. And so we're here for that.
So for something like this, desktop, meaning on next to the computer, or desktop like in a workshop?
So right now, workshop, but eventually we would love to get to a point where it could be on someone's desktop in their room. Obviously, you don't want to put an arc welder in someone's room right now.
No.
We want to design this with so much safety in mind that you could, but we're not going to obviously encourage that. We're encouraging workshop space, well-ventilated areas, maker spaces, even welding workshops, places where stuff like this would happen. So,
well, for the parts that people want in those sorts of scenarios, do you have any data around this size, and will it be able to provide like 90% of the parts that people want? 95%? Do you know?
It's getting closer to that. So the parts that I've foreseen people making is like mechanical fittings, manifolds. One thing I want to make is pressure vessels. So like I could see a lot of university and research students using this to create next gen components. Also, once we get to dimensions that are really tight, like under 1 millimeter, that's our goal. We hope people will start making even art pieces, maybe even making the Eiffel Tower or benchies. Even that's the goal.
Benchy.
So stuff that people would normally print, like someday even a coin for the Rep Rap Festival. I've seen so many of those that I would love to make like blanks and stuff for next Rep Rap next year.
I was just gonna say, this is gonna be really fun next year.
Oh yeah, when you come back next year, this thing is gonna be just singing like the birds.
It is going to be epic.
For the Wham process, a ramps board and a microcontroller, you've got a 3-axis system in here.
Yep.
And then underneath, that's obviously controlling the welding mechanism, right?
Yep.
And what's the gas for?
The gas is for purging the whole environment. Now, this whole enclosure, it seals up and you fill it with argon CO2 mix or argon. Yeah, you can even throw
May
it.
I?
Yeah, go for it.
Did I miss it? I tried. I totally tried.
So the enclosure fills with argon CO2 mix. You could fill it with argon, any welding gas that's inert. Once it's filled and purged, you close the valve and you just reuse that argon gas, so you don't have to keep purging and feeding gas to it.
Oh.
Oh,
it's sealed. So once it's sealed and good,
yep,
and you're just doing stuff, you're good.
Yeah, you're good. You can keep printing for hours if you wanted to, but it prints so quickly at 4 kilograms an hour. That's fast deposition.
4 kilograms an hour?
Yeah. So you're making fast prints here. Like this,
wow.
this thing will just, like I said, sing like the birds.
Okay. So Ben, obviously, I mean, as a public instructor and someone with a lot of passion for this, I hope you get enough sleep. But
that's right.
I get the feeling like nothing's going to stop you from making this a reality.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
man. Okay. Lots of people are going to want to know a lot more about this. And obviously this video is going to be great, but look in the camera and tell everybody where they can go to find out more about you and what you're doing.
You can find us at FrazierTech.com, and you can also find us on Facebook, our Facebook page, Frazier Tech. Right now, sign up for our email list. I'm always chatting with my fans and stuff and sending them emails. Just shoot the breeze, talk about what I'm doing, to hear what they're going through. And so that's what it's all about.
That's perfect.
Thank you.
Ben, I love you so much. All right, thanks for watching. If you've made this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in, and metal print all the things, even benchies. And as always, high five. Want one?